Have you ever wondered how a knitted hat is made? If so, keep watching. This is our USA cat hat prototype created by our talented knitwear designer, Ryan. I'll be honest, I'm completely ignorant when it comes to knitting. When I think of knitting, I think of old ladies holding two metal sticks with some yarn, twisting them together, and then boom, out pops a scarf. However, as you'll see in this clip, Ryan is not an old lady and doesn't use knitting needles. Check out how he made our prototype. What Ryan uses in this video is a knitting machine. I didn't even know those existed. You learn something new every day. Do we have any knitters watching? Let me know in the comments.